بص، انا عارف انك نفسك تتعلم انجليزي بس كرهت كل الطرق التقليديه، فانا جيت لك بالحل. سيبك من الطرق التقليديه، جاي لك بطريقه ممتازه. انت بتتفرج على ستوري، شورت ستوري، هتسمع وتقرا، تسمع وتقرا، تسمع وتقرا، وفي الاخر هتلاقيني سايب لك كل الكلام اللي في الستوري لوحده، هتقراه كويس، وبعد كده مبروك عليك، انت طورت listening and reading. بس كده؟ لا مش بس، بعد كده عايزين نطور الرايتنج. هنعمل ايه؟ هنجيب ورقة وقلم ونكتب كل اللي احنا فاكرينه من الستوري، وبكده احنا طورنا listening, reading and writing. فيلا نبدأ.
There is a little pig. The pig wants to be a baseball player. Every day he practices baseball. He practices hitting a baseball. He wants to be a big hitter. After 10 years of practice, the pig decides to try out for the New York Yankees, the most famous baseball team in America. He takes a direct flight to New York, then rents a car and drives to Yankee Stadium. He tries out for the Yankees, but the Yankees manager says, "I'm sorry, you are an amazing baseball player, but we can't let a pig join our team." The pig is very unhappy. He goes home and cries every day. Finally, his friend says to him, "Come on, get a grip. Stop crying and try again with another team." The pig listens to his friend. He stops crying. He practices baseball every day. One day, he is reading the newspaper and he finds out that the San Francisco Giants need new baseball players. The pig immediately flies to San Francisco. He tries out for the Giants. The Giants are very impressed with the pig. The manager says, "Wow, you are the best hitter I have ever seen." The Giants hire the pig and pay him $2. In his first game, the pig hits 5 home runs. Everyone in San Francisco loves the pig. The Giants give him a big raise. They pay him $540 million. The pig is rich, famous, and happy.